If you've ever wanted to shop from Jarir Bookstore but prefer to pay in installments, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Tabby on Jarir's website so you can buy what you need and pay later, easily and stress-free. First, open your browser and head over to jarir.com. Browse through the site and find the product you want, whether it's a laptop, phone, book, or accessory. Once you've found it, click on the item and select Add to Cart. Next, go to your cart and click Checkout Now. When you reach the payment option section, you'll see Tabby listed as one of the available methods. Select Tabby, and if you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to log in or create one. It only takes a minute. Once you're signed in, you can choose the installment plan that fits your budget best. Tabby typically offers interest-free monthly payments, so you can split the total cost over time without paying extra fees. After reviewing your details and confirming everything looks good, just complete your checkout. Your order will be placed instantly and you'll pay later through easy, flexible installments. And that's it. It's really that simple. Using Tabby on Jarir Bookstore gives you the freedom to shop for what you love, without worrying about paying everything up front. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, share it with someone who shops at Jarir too, and subscribe for more quick and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.